Mutshamaxitulu wa Freedom Under Law, muavanyisi Johan Kriegler, u vula leswaku vakhomixinara lavambirhi, Mpofu na Malema, a va fanele va nga vi xiphemu xa ku kambisisa ku ringanela ka switulu swa vuavanyisinkulu. Hi van'wanyana va vakhomixinara va 22 lava nga nyikiwa ntirho wa ku hlela vuyimela ku langwa eka xitulu xa muavanyisinkulu vhiki leri. Nhlangano vula leswaku Malema na Mpofu a va ringanelanga ku avanyisa swihlawulekisi swa matikhomelo ya kahle ya van'wanyana.
We have 2 members of that body who are under a cloud regarding their own integrity. In the case of Mr. Malema, a parliamentary ethics committee has found him guilty of having abused his position on the JSC to further a private interest and not the public interest, which is a serious breach of his duty as a member of the JSC. That is still hanging. In the case of Mr. Mpofu, he has been found guilty by a panel of the Judicial Service Council of having acted in the proceedings before the Zombard Commission in a manner unfitting an advocate. He is a very senior advocate, he's a very vocal and important member of the JSC. For him to have such a finding hanging over his head, yet nevertheless participating in the quality control functions of the JSC, we say is undesirable.
Mpofu u tlhele a vutisa hi loko a fanele ku tihumesa eka ku kambisisa vuswikoti bya ntirho wa vuavanyisinkulu wo khomela Raymond Zondo. Zondo u ta va kambisisiwa ku ringanela ka yena hi Ravuntlhanu eka ku teka xitulu xa muavanyisinkulu.
Anyone who is aggrieved about any commissioner, I'm now speaking for the JSC, has a right to complain about that commissioner to the powers that be. The only powers that be that I can think of would be the courts or the president. If you ask me if I have any apprehension, no, definitely not. I think it's just, you know, not even worth responding to be honest. I mean, because people were here when we sat with TCJ Zondo in October. And, you know, I speak to him frequently in my capacity as a spokesperson. He's the acting Chief Justice. I think people are just manufacturing it for their own ulterior purposes.
Ntiro wa ku gala chava yimela ku langwa wu ta fika emakumu hi Ravuntlhanu.